Yo, I'm trying out this new tap record app, and I wanted to show these cool things that are coming out these days. So this is an IA kind of concept thing, and it's within Photoshop. And so Robert Kimbrough wants this image on a t-shirt. This is a Deke Rivers photograph that he took. I don't know where the festival was. Looks like maybe Picnic or something, Hill Country Picnic. So we're in Photoshop, and I need this to go on the shirt, and I feel like it's a weird photo because his head is cut off as far as if you're going to put it on a t-shirt, because some of his head is missing. So what we do is we create it as a layer, not a background, in Photoshop, this techie stuff. And I'm going to click C for crop, and I'm going to pull it up here like this because I want to add some space. Maybe I want to even add some copy up there. Robert Kimbrough Sr. So now what we're going to do is we're going to get our marquee, and I'm going to select right here like this. So just a pinch of his head, right? Because I'm going to show you what happens when you grab more of it. And so we're going to do it the right way first. Generative fill, and then I say extend this image up. That's pretty. There you go. So it's going to take a minute here. And this is really wild stuff, man. It's so real too. And he gave him a little bit of an afro. So what I'm going to try to pull it up this way and see how much better it does it, because I'm getting different results every time I do this. I'll say this image up. So obviously it has to understand that that's a human head. I don't know if it's even going down the rest of the image to understand that that is a human. Robert, you're a good human at that. Looks a little stretched, very weird, but I feel I could pull it straight down like that. Look at that, So let's try it again, and let's get maybe like that. But in a few minutes we're going to do something else. Extend this image up. I'm a hard typer. It's doing it. It's generating. Dude, and that's, I don't know, Robert, that looks a pretty good look for you, man, but but let's try this. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna go generative fill, extend this image up with dreadlocks. Now I'm curious, what do we got, Robert? Something went wrong. Generative fill, extend this image up and give him dreadlocks. Let's see. You can't do that. Maybe, I guess it's the word dreadlocks. But here's the funny part. Okay, so sorry, Robert. We're gonna do this. Okay, so now I'm gonna do generative fill, extend this image up. It's gonna get a little overzealous here. It's AI thingamabobbers. So what's up, Robert? We finna change you into somebody else, because AI is not that. Sorry, Robert. That ain't you. Gave you an earring. Look at that. That's pretty wild, man. That's. I mean, it looks real. Am I wrong? It looks real. So what we're gonna do is, I'm actually gonna use. Let's see here. This image here. It's loading. I did one test where it gave him a hat. Like, that's wild. Look at this. I mean, it's got like a light there, and it's rafterers. That's wild, man. So, yep, Robert, you've been AI'd. Look out now. Cotton Patch Soul Blues AI, open up.